Dear students, here we are going to learn the applications of the determinants and matrices. In this section, we have given a system of linear equation like that a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z that is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Now our aim is to find the value of x, y and z. Then we can let the coefficients a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3 and c3. And x is equal to all variables x, y and z. And b is equal to the right hand side d1, d2 and d3. So this linear equations can be written as ax is equal to b. Then we have some cases. Case number first. If A is non-singular matrix, if A is non-singular matrix, it implies determinant of A cannot equal to 0, then its inverse will exist. And it have a unique solution and unique solution. If case number second, if A is singular matrix, it implies determinant of A is equal to 0. In this case, we calculate adjoint of AB, adjoint of A multiplied B, and if adjoint of A into B is not equal to O, where O is 0 matrix, then solution does not exist. And if adjoint of A multiplied with B is equal to O, then system may be either consistent, or inconsistent, according as system as the system have either infinitely many solutions, many solution, or no solution. So students, by using this concept, we have to solve exercise number 4.6. Now, we will solve exercise number 4.6. Question number first. We have given a system of equation x plus 2y is equal to 2 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 3, which can be written as in form of ax is equal to where a is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, matrix of the coefficient of the equations, and x is equal to variable matrix, and b is equal to right hand side matrix. If determinant of a is equal to -1, which is not equal to 0, it implies a is non-singular and a inverse exists. Hence, the system of equations are consistent. Second equation, third question, x plus 3y is equal to 5, 2x plus 6y is equal to 8, which can be written in form of ax is equal to b, where a is equal to 1, 3, 2, 6, and x is equal to x and y, b is equal to 5 and 8. We solve the determinant of a, which is 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, and then a is singular matrix and hence a inverse not exist. Now we have to find adjoint of a, that is 6 minus 3 minus 2 and 1. And adjoint of a into b is equal to matrix of adjoint a into multiplied by b, that is 6 minus 2, which is not equal to 0. So there is no solution of given equations. Hence system of equation are inconsistent. Question number 5th. Given system of equation 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 2, 2y minus z is equal to -1, 3x minus 5y is equal to 3. This equation can be written in form of ax is equal to b, where a is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 0, and x, y, z, and b, 2 minus 1 and 3. So determinant of a, after solving, we can get it is equal to 0. Then a is a singular matrix and a inverse does not exist. Now, for finding the adjoint of a, we have a11 is equal to -5, a12 is equal to -3, a13 is equal to -6, a21 is equal to 10, a22 is equal to 6, a23 is equal to 12, a31 is equal to 5, a32 is equal to 3, and a33 is equal to 6. Then adjoint of a is equal to -5, 10, -5, -3, 6, 3, 6, 12, 6. And adjoint of a multiplied with b, which gives -5, -3, -6, which is not equal to 0. So there is no solution and equation is inconsistent. Now we come at question number 7th. We have given equation 5x plus 2y is equal to 4, 7x plus 3y is equal to 5, which can be written in form of ax is equal to b, where a is equal to 5, 2, 7, 3, and b is equal to x is equal to xy, and b is equal to 4 and 5. Now find the determinant of a, which is not equal to 0. Hence a is non-singular and a inverse exists. So the system of equation are consistent. Now a11 is equal to 3, a12 is equal to -7, a21 is equal to -2, a22 is equal to 5. And we know that the inverse of a is equal to 1 upon determinant of a into adjoint of a. After putting the values, we can get we know that ax is equal to b, hence x is equal to a inverse into b. Now xy is equal to a inverse value, this, this. xy is equal to 2 minus 3, so x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. That is the answer. Now question number 11th. Given system of equation 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x minus 2y minus z is equal to 3 by 2, 3y minus 3y minus 5z is equal to 9. This equation can be written in form of ax is equal to b, where a is equal to 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 5, x is equal to x, y, z, b is equal to 1, 3 by 2 and 9. So determinant of a is equal to 34, which is not equal to 0. Hence the system is consistent and non-singular. So A inverse exists. For finding A inverse, we have need A11 is equal to 13, A12 5, A13 3, A21 8, A22 minus 10, A23 minus 6, A31 is equal to 1, A32 3, A33 minus 5. So A inverse, which is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. That is 134, 1 divided with 34. In matrix 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5. So, since AX is equal to B, hence X is equal to A inverse into B. It implies X, Y, Z is equal to minus 1 upon 34. 1 upon 34, the value of A inverse multiplied with B. So x, y, z is equal to, after solving, we get 1, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Hence, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 2 and z is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now, the question number 15. Given matrix A is equal to 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2. Then determinant of A is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Hence A is non-singular and A inverse exists. For finding A inverse, we have need to A11 is equal to 0, A12 is equal to 2, A13 1, A21 is equal to minus 1, A22 is equal to minus 9, A23 is equal to minus 5, A31 is equal to 2, A32 is equal to 23, A33 is equal to 13. Now A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. That is minus 1 multiplied with adjoint of A. Then we get this value, which is A inverse. The given system of equation is equal to 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to 11. 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to minus 5. X plus y minus 2z is equal to minus 3. Which can be written in ax is equal to b, where a is equal to this, x is equal to this and b is equal to this. Then x is equal to a inverse b. A inverse value has been found here. Then this value will multiplied with value of b. Then we get x, y, z is equal to 1, 2, 3. It implies x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. Now the last question, that is 16, which says the cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is 60 rupees. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is Rs 90. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is 70. Find the cost of each item per kg by the matrix method. let first we assume the cost of 1 kg onion is equal to rupees X, cost of 1 kg wheat is equal to rupees Y, and cost of 1 kg rice is equal to rupees Z. Then cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is 60 degree, it is 60, it is given. Then 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 60. Cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is 90. Then 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 90. And cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is 70. Then it can be written in form of equation 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 70. So the system of the equation is 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 60, 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 90, 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 70. This equation can be written in the form of ax is equal to b, where a is equal to 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 6 and 6, 2, 3, and x is equal to x, y, z, b is equal to 60, 90 and 70. Now we check the consistency for this matrix. Determinant of A is equal to 50, which is not equal to 0. Hence, A is non-singular and A inverse exists. So, A11 is equal to 0, A12 is equal to 30, A13 is equal to minus 20, A21 is equal to minus 5, A22 0, A23 10, A31 10, A32 minus 20, A33 10. Then, inverse of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Then it is 1 upon 50 and adjoint of A matrix. And X is equal to A inverse B. It implies X, Y, Z is equal to 1 upon 50 with this, that is the value of A inverse from here multiplied with value of B. So x, y, z is equal to 1 upon 50 and multiplication we get 1 upon 50. It is 250, 400 and 400. Then division with 50 in this elements, we can get x, y, z is equal to 5, 8 and 8. Hence x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8 and z is equal to 8. Hence the cost of onion is 7 rupees per kg, wheat 8 rupees per kg and rice 8 rupees per kg. That's all from this chapter. Students, we have completed the chapter determinants. Our next chapter will be continuity and differentiability, which we will study in next video. Thank you.